All right, so we are staying in room 2232. Let's go ahead and check it out. This is the carpet, by the way. We are on the second floor because we do have our fur baby with us. Well, my husband's gonna go pick him up now. We actually were able to get super early check-in. It's a little bit past 9 o'clock and they were able to accommodate, so amazing. Oh, and here is my room key. It's AT, isn't that cute? Wow. Obviously, we've already put our bags in here, but I wanted to give you the full experience. So we got the typical for your safety, you know where to go. I love the details in the design. The tide is in, do not disturb. Obviously, we've got the safety lock. We have got a full-size mirror to make sure that you're neat and pretty. Love the tile. We got the closet. Plenty of space with extra bedding. We have a safe. This is the vanity mirror with lights, sink, extra towels. Looks like they use Julian Farrell. So we got some products in here. I do like that we've got this great feature, especially for us ladies when we put on our makeup, to make it as bright as possible. Oh, that's really bright. I can dim it. That's a feature that's actually in my other video that I did a couple years ago when we stayed at the Royal Pacific. Mirror, great lighting too. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom is barn style door. Let's actually close it. Okay, so you do get some privacy, but you probably might be able to hear if somebody's in the shower. Not sure about the full privacy of it. I love, love, love the design here. Got a shower head with multiple options. And we have got our pumps ready with our body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. I'm excited to try these products. I don't recall if I have tried them or not. I probably have. Very tropical shower curtain. A little bit textured. Now we go into carpet, so it looks like we're entering the ocean. And we've got 2 queen-size beds. Theming is Island Paradise throughout the whole hotel. We will check out this gorgeous view in a little bit. Got the TV. The best thing so far as a person that travels with a lot of stuff, even though it's a one-night stay, is we've got so many drawers. Look at all the stuff we can put in here. And we do have a mini fridge. Be able to put our stuff in. Room service. We got a Loews Loves Pets amenity bag. You'll meet our puppy later, and we'll go through that bag in a little bit. Got our setup here for coffee. A desk where I'm very much going to use to edit this video tonight. Let's see if we've got, oh, this is a great chair. Desk in here. Got some Fiji waters. All the info that we need to know, the rundown. Room service. Got blackout curtains, which is very important because the sun is always sunning here. Great chair. And this is our view. So that's the Royal Pacific Resort over there. Again, I did a video if you want to check it out about 2 years ago. We were there for Hurricane Milton, and it was perfect. They really knew how to take care of us folks that were evacuating. So this is our view. So we have the lagoon view. I can't wait to check out the rest of the resort. Again, this is the final. Let's see how much I can get. Final view of this gorgeous room. Okay, so let's check out the Loews Loves Pets amenity bag. I am a huge fan of any pet-friendly hotel because I love to keep the family together. But having an amenity bag in addition to accommodating your pet is just amazing. Look how cute this is. Now when you see my puppy, this will be like a serving to use as a serving cup for him. Wait till you see him. He's like My Little Pony. I've never put him on video, but I will today. So I'll officially introduce you to my fur baby. So we've got a water and food bowl. We've got a poopy bag. What little, what do you call these? I guess like a little carry-on. You can clip it anywhere and just take it with you. That's always really convenient. Oh, this is my favorite. Loews Loves Pets. Oh, we're definitely putting this on him today. So cute. It's all in the details. Ooh, oh, this is a mat. Oh, this is going to be great for his setup. This is a great quality mat. It has got, it's made out of, I guess, rubber. So it's non-slip. It's got this cute little detail. Little paw. Oh, wow, this is great. And that is it. But, you know, honestly, these are the unexpected little details that I love when staying in any Loews resort. I can't wait to set this up with his regular bowls. We'll save these for our friends that have smaller doggies. Well, that was our room tour. Again, at the Universal Sapphire Falls. Stay tuned for the next videos. I'm going to soak up as much as I can in the next 24 hours of this resort. I'm going to try to capture everything. Let's do this. With that said, I do not have an outro, and that is my outro.